Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today I'll be making a keto caramel cheesecake that I've mentioned earlier in my other video. If you need the keto caramel sauce recipe, click on the card on your top right corner, or I'll put it in the description box below. So first you need to beat the cream cheese until it's nice and smooth, and then you just add in the keto caramel sauce. Here you can add as much as you want. If you like a stronger caramel flavor, then just add more of it. You can also add more if your sauce isn't sweet enough, or you can just add some erythritol or stevia at the end. Here I also added some vanilla extract, although our cake is caramel flavored, but if you add some vanilla extract it would smell better and taste even better. We're still gonna continue whisking. Now we need to separately add in our eggs. So we've got our first egg cracked in. Now be careful to not over whisk it, or else you're gonna have a cracked surface. Obviously if you would like to have a cracked surface, that's totally fine. Then it's our second egg. If you guys have watched my keto cheesecake before, then you'll realize that these two cakes are quite similar in terms of the way you make it. The only difference is that this cake is bigger in size and it is caramel flavored. When we're done with the cheesecake batter, we're gonna pour it into our mold. Under it, I have a layer of crust that I made earlier. If you guys want the recipe for the crust, I'll put the link in the description box below. It is from the video of my keto cheesecake. Bake your cake in 180 degrees for 25 minutes. When it's baked, chilling it before you eat it would make it taste even better. You can serve the cake with more sauce just in case the cake isn't sweet enough. And by the way, I added 10 to 12 drops of stevia when I was making the cake, because I felt like it wasn't sweet enough. If you guys think it's not sweet enough, you can add some erythritol or stevia. I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.